Okay, I'm on Zen Studios Williams the Party Zone. In case you're having issues with the sound, with the moving head, I have some settings you can do to minimize that. Okay, so first I'll show you how it sounds. And this is coming from the movement of his head. This is the sound you'll hear. This is the settings I had when I did the review video. You'll hear the head movement is like really, really loud. Oh man. So you can hear how loud the movement of his head is. Okay. Okay, so you get the gist of how loud it sounds, and it's coming from the right exciter. It's nothing broken on your machine or anything, but it's just Zen didn't dial it in. Okay, so that was the settings I used in my review video. And this might be the sounds that you have. So the back here, the volume, and then you have this one up here, the top. So you have the speakers in the top one. It's for your effects. So what I did with that one, I put it all the way down to 30. You don't have to touch your volume. Your volume can be whatever. And then I went into the settings. The first setting I did, I went, since it's coming from your rear speaker, right, which is under your control panel, I put this to soft. And then I went over to pinball table settings. And on here, the FX volume, I knocked down to 30 or 20. They both sound good. Of course, 30 is going to be a little higher than 20, but I'll knock it down to 20. Volume, you can keep it at whatever you have. I have mine on 30, but it's the FX volume knocked down to 20 or 30. Depends how much you want to hear that. Okay, let's go back in here now. Okay, now we should hear a difference. So go ahead and play. Man, I might turn this up a little bit. See the difference now of his head movement? So now, it's not so loud now. It's manageable. Like I said, I put mine down to 20. You can do it if you want a little louder. You can put it up to 30 or 25 or anything between 20 and 30. Once you get above 30 though, it gets to be too loud again. And if you go below 20, then you can't hear the other sound effects very well either. So I think the 20-30 range is a good range. Drain. So it sounds great now. And if you think that's too low, I think I can turn my speakers up. So even when I put my speaker, volume up, it's still movement, it's still low. So So you can see, sounds a lot better now. So there you go, guys. I hope this helps. That's the settings I'm using. I think they work really well. You can still hear the movement of the head, but it's not overpowering like it was. So hope this video helped you. If you did, please smash that like button for me. I appreciate it. If you're new to the channel or haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. Turn the bell on. I thank you in advance. Till the next video, I will see ya.